Welcome friends! Today we are making a delicious traditional Japanese ramen noodle dish. Our ramen noodle dish uses the traditional hondashi broth and tardes seasoned sauce. For this easy recipe, you will need eggs. To marinate the eggs, you will need mirin, soy sauce, and sake. For the hondashi broth, you will need hondashi bonito soup stock, chicken broth, and water. For the tardet seasoning sauce, you will need dry shaved bonito flakes, dry seaweed, sake, mirin, soy sauce, sliced green onion, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and sugar. To speed up things, we are using a Costco rotisserie chicken and a package of ramen noodles. Begin the process by boiling the eggs. I like my egg slightly loose, so I'm going to cook about 6 minutes. Place the cooked eggs in ice water to cool down. Sake, soy sauce, and mirin. After peeling the eggs, place them in a marinade for 12 hours. Now we are ready to make the ramen broth and seasoning sauce. First, the seasoning sauce. In a small pot, combine the bonito flakes, dry seaweed, sake, mirin, soy sauce, sliced green onion, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and sugar. Boil on high heat for 5 minutes. Now for the broth. In a large pot over high heat, combine chicken broth, water, and hondashi bonito soup stock powder. Now stir in the delicious rotisserie chicken drippings. Bring the broth to boil, then remove from heat. We are not using the seasonings packet, it's too salty. While the noodles are boiling, strain the tardet sauce. Season the broth with a tablespoon of sauce. And here you have a delicious traditional Japanese ramen noodle dish. You know what I'm gonna say, people? Delicious. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe and ring the bell.